A Qatar court has approved the appeal lodged by the Indian government against the capital punishment granted to 8 former Indian Navy personnel last month, as per media reports. The court has indicated that the upcoming hearing is expected shortly. The 8 ex-Indian Navy personnel received the death penalty on October 26 from Qatar's Court of First Instance. India denounced the decision as profoundly surprising and pledged to explore all lawful avenues in the case. An appeal was submitted against the death penalty given to 8 former Indian Navy personnel by a Qatari court, as stated by the Ministry of External Affairs, MEA, earlier this month. Arindam Bagchi, the MEA spokesperson, mentioned that the Indian embassy in Doha received another consular access to the detained Indians, and New Delhi will persist in providing all legal and consular support to them. As previously informed, the Court of First Instance of Qatar delivered a judgment on October 26 in the case involving 8 Indian employees of Al Dara Company, Bagchi said. The judgment is confidential and has only been shared with the legal team. They are now pursuing further legal steps, and an appeal has been filed. We will also continue to engage with the Qatari authorities on this matter, he added. Last August, Indian nationals working with the private company Al Dara were apprehended in an alleged espionage case. Neither the Qatari authorities nor New Delhi made the charges against the Indian nationals public. Charges were filed against the 8 Indian Navy veterans on March 25, and they were tried under Qatari law. All of the former Navy officers had unblemished stints of up to 20 years in the Indian Navy and had held important positions, including that of instructors in the force, as per former military officials. In May, Al Dara Global ceased its operations in Doha, and all those working there, mainly Indians, have since returned home. In the past, the Navy had taken up the case of former naval personnel with the top brass of the government to ensure their release.